shout out to Anita here. 1 second here. So Anita, right here, Anita RQP, she left a comment and said that she's been asking tons of YouTubers to give her a shout out, and she said none of them have, and so I thought I'd be nice and do that real quick. So shout out to you, Anita, good channel, doing the splits and all kinds of things. So shout out to you. Hopefully you appreciate that. So what I'm going to show you guys, so what I was doing was I was actually, me and my girlfriend were just going to watch the old Frosty the Snowman movie, right? Because I watched it every Christmas. So I was trying to find it on YouTube, right? And I found it. And then, of course, I go to watch it, right? And so I click this. And I see, this is the one we watched. And as you can see, there's ads here. Look at this. It's got 10 million views. And it has ads on it. And it's been here for over a year. And so how much money do you think they're making every single day? And then look at this. This is exactly what I teach in my course, guys. So in my course, I teach putting an ad every, minute or so, right? Look at this. Throughout the entire Frosty the Snowman, they have an ad a minute, guys. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 20 ads. 20 ads in this 25-minute video, guys. This is what I teach, and then you guys always say, oh, YouTube will kick you out if you do that many ads. No, they freaking won't. Or you guys say, people aren't going to watch it. Well, they are if it's Frosty the freaking Snowman and they can't find it anywhere else. So, that's the thing. You can't just put it on some crap video that's already all over the place. But if it's a video that people really want to watch, if they have 20 ads on it, they're still going to watch it. I still watch the whole thing. And so it does work, guys. And so this is what you do. You find videos that a lot of people want to see. You put them up, and then you put a ton of ads on them. Because, some people would put 1 or 2 ads on this. Well, by putting 20, you're just multiplying your income by 18 times, okay? That's what I do on all my videos. So this has 10 million views on it, guys. And so with those ads, I would say they definitely got, so 10 million, 386, 351 times, they definitely got a 10% click-through rate with 20 ads for sure. And then you multiply that by 3 cents, and I'm estimating that in the last year this one video alone has made them $31,000, guys. $31,000 posting Frosty the Snowman. And there is tons of these kind of examples all over. So we're gonna go ahead and just look through their channel here and see what else we can find that they've done. So as you can see, that video had done way better than some of their other videos, but they're getting a ton of freaking money because on top of all the videos that are already continuing to be watched, they're also posting new ones every single day, and they're all getting about 10,000 views. So they're probably getting thousands of dollars every single day on this channel right here. So you can just scroll through and see what kind of things they're doing, what kind of things they're posting. And you can go to sort by most popular as well. And see what else they got. So they got this one, then they got just the song, just the Frosty the Snowman song has 4.9 million views, and it also has ads on it right here. So this is the kind of stuff you can do, guys, and I would recommend doing it right now. If you get the masterclass right now, I show you how you can get a monetized channel instantly, and right now, today, you can start posting Christmas movies. Now's the time. People are looking at Christmas movies like freaking crazy, so if you want some money, freaking get a monetized channel today and start uploading some freaking Christmas videos. Look at this. They all have ads on them, guys, and they're getting millions of views on these things. It's nuts. Like, they are, killing it right now, for sure. They just posted these two a year ago. But some of these, look at this. This has been up for 8 years and still getting views. So they're still making money off videos they posted 8 years ago on top of all the new content they're posting. So that's when you start really making money. When you have videos that have been continually viral for a year or so, and then on top of that, you're posting videos every day that are getting thousands of views. That all adds up together, guys, and ends up being a ridiculous amount of money. So you can also just go in here and type in Christmas and start looking what are other people posting. 3 hours of Christmas music. That probably music's always hard. Music's not usually monetized. So this one has 2 million views, and it has ads on it.
I carry your
And
heart.
it's a holiday movie special. What else we got here? Let's see if any of the classic Christmas music has ads. Yep, this one does. So this is classic Christmas music, 16 million views, and guess what? It's got ads on it. Let's look at. Let's try this Christmas mix. It's got ads on it, guys, so you can do Christmas music freaking mixes, and all you gotta do is download and repost this stuff, which I show you how to do all of this stuff. Franklin's Christmas. Got ads on it, bro. See, these have a lot better chance of having ads on them because of the fact that they're older videos, and these old videos aren't really in the bot system the way the new stuff is. So it's a lot easier to repost these old cartoons, old Christmas movies, things like that. So you could just scroll through here for days and find tons of stuff to repost. You could find like 10 of these, repost them. This is just Rudolph the Reindeer song. That doesn't look like it's... Songs are always kind of iffy sometimes. But yeah, so people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars just freaking posting Frosty the Snowman. So there was also one from like 2005 or something that had a lot of views on it too. Yeah, so this has 1.7 million views on it as well. Look how many ads they have. They yeah, and it has ads on it, and there's like an ad every freaking half a minute on that thing. So you know how much money they're making? So like the amount of money you can get by putting an ad every like 30 seconds. I mean, so basically this 1.7 million views, they're getting more money than people that get 20 million views and only put 2 ads. Okay, that's where the magic really is, because if you have, 50 ads in one freaking video, you're making, 50 times what somebody who puts 1 or 2 ads on a video makes. Okay? But there's tons of examples of this stuff, guys. So animated cartoons for children. So, like I said, they post. Let's see. I'm gonna estimate how much money they've probably made. 144 million views, 379, 146 times 0.10 times 0.03. $433,000. I guarantee they're getting a 10% click-through rate multiplied by 3 cents, because with all the ads they have on their videos, they're definitely getting a 10% click-through rate, because I'm always at about 10 to 12% when I put that many ads. So yeah, $433,000 by this channel. And most of it, a lot of it's from like those Frosty videos, guys. So that's what you need to do, okay? I mean, it's freaking easy, and you guys can totally do this stuff. Like, this has 97 million views on it. It happens to be a song, but if you had, like, the full movie, like this person has the full movie, 18 million views. I don't think that one has ads on it, though. But a lot of them do. The Gingerbread Man, 52 million views. And it has ads on it. 52 million views, guys. 52 million. Let's take a look. 52,862,079. If you put an ad every like minute and a half, 2 minutes, 3% click-through rate. $188,000 on the freaking Gingerbread Man movie, guys. And guess what? It's been up for over 2 years. It's been up for over 2 years. So if you guys are afraid that this doesn't work anymore, YouTube's going to take you down, whatever, frick no, dude. This person's had this freaking Gingerbread movie up. All they did was grab it and repost it. Didn't edit it at all. It's been up for 2 years, and it's made them, probably $100,000. Okay, and you could do this all day long. You could scroll through 124 million views. Holy crap! And it's got ads. Yes, yes, vegetable song. The Yes, Yes Vegetable song. 124 million views with ads. Guys, if you put an ad every minute and a half or so on this freaking video and get a 10% click-through rate at 3 cents, $374,000 on one video. On one video. Do you guys understand how big of a deal that is? I mean, I'm gonna get into this niche. I already have 3 niches. I'm about to make a 4th. It's gonna be freaking nursery rhyme songs and freaking cartoons, old cartoons. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do next, cause this is nuts. That's nuts. That's freaking ridiculous, dude. That's insane. Clean up trash song, 104 million views. And it's got ads. And here's where they're making their mistake, man. They didn't make that much. You know why? Because they only have one ad a video. If they put freaking, at least 3 or 4 ads in this video, they would have triple, quadrupled their freaking revenue, guys. Man, they really blew it. They're sitting on a gold mine. They're still making good money, but one ad compared to 3, 4, 5, 10, it's a big difference. But guys, I think I found a new niche. Guys. Oh, I'm gonna have to study this. Baby Bus Kids TV. That's nuts. Let's see how many views they have. Ooh, they got 3 million subs, dude. This is a good niche, guys. 2 billion views? I think that's the most I've ever seen, I think. Holy freaking crap. I just found this, guys. I'm just doing research. I just found this. This is insane. If you put an ad every minute on this channel, $6 million! And this channel's been up for 2 years. Okay, I found a new niche. I gotta go because I got some work to do. Holy crap. That's insane. So if you guys want some money, do some freaking Christmas movies. Do Frosty the Snowman, Charlie Brown Christmas, all kinds of things that were from the 1970s that people still watch. Or music. Or freaking kids freaking, oh my gosh. I gotta go. I got some work to do. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.